Hello and welcome to another session of Sqoop. So in all our previous examples, what we did is we imported just one table. So whether we import it as a whole, whether we imported a portion of the table, bottom line is we imported only one table. So if you want to import more than one table, or if you want to import all the tables at once, you can use the concept of import all tables. So basically Sqoop will provide a feature where you can import all the tables at once. So this is the command for importing all the tables. If you see here, right, there are only two changes. First change is here where we are saying import all tables, right, instead of just import. If you ask it Sqoop import, that means you want to import only the particular table that you mentioned, but here we are saying Sqoop import all tables. You are importing all the tables. Now the second change is here at the last where we say warehouse directory. So instead of saying the target directory, we are saying warehouse directory. Now why is that? So when you take a target directory, you are just mentioning one directory, but then you have lot of tables, right? So instead of target directory, when you say warehouse directory, it will create this directory. Here it's tables, and inside this directory it will again create one more directory for tables. So if you have order tables, so you will have inside tables you will have order directory, and then inside this order directory you will have the files related to orders. Similarly, you will have customers directory and all the other tables directory. That's the reason why you use the warehouse directory. I'm going to go ahead and execute this. So I will, let me change this as table underscore new, right? So I'm going to execute this. It is what it is going to do is it is going to create a directory here, tables underscore new. Inside each directory it is going to create a directory for each of the table which is present under retail underscore db. So let me go ahead and execute it. While this is getting executed, let me show the tables that are present inside the retail db. So we have categories, we have customers, we have departments, order items, orders, and products. So we have around 6 tables. So we have 6 tables. So all these 6 tables should be imported at once in a single statement. So currently it is importing the customers table. So this might take some time because we are doing all the imports in the single command. So let's wait for this command to get executed, and then we will verify this data. All right, so we have all the data retrieved now. So if you see here it, right, it is here it says 68,838 records, then it imported the product. So basically, even though you have this one command, so for each table it is executing each command. So it will first execute, let's say, orders. Once it is imported, then it will go ahead and execute the next table. So these things are happening in sequence. So if you can see it here, so this was another table, and this was another table which got transferred, right? Anyway, so let's go and check this warehouse. So this tables underscore new should be created. As you can see, you have categories, customers, department, order items, order. So you can pick any of this and you will see the data present in each of this. So customers, we have this. Let me pick up something. So orders has a file. Let me also check the department table. So you can see you have department. So all 6 tables data has been imported. So this is how you can import all the tables at one go. When I mean one go, in a single command. Now let me go back to this query again. Now here we are saying we are going to import all the tables, right? We have 6 tables, but what if I don't want to import all the tables, I just want to import few tables, right? In that case, what you can do is you can do an exclude tables here. So you can say here, hey, import all the tables, but make sure that you exclude these tables. So whatever the list of tables that you provide here, those list of tables will be excluded. So if I go back, let me see, let me say I don't want categories, so let me exclude the categories here. And let me also pick up customers. I'll pick the first three tables. Okay. Okay, so that's it. And let me change this. Let me change it to let me change this to exclude. So I'm going ahead and executing this. So this is going to take some time. It is going to import all the tables except for those tables which you have put in the exclude tables criteria. So this way, instead of importing all the tables, you can just import only selected tables that you want. All right, the query is now get executed. So let me go ahead and check the location. So we gave tables underscore exclude. So you should see only three tables, right? So we have order items, orders, and products only. So we don't have the other tables which were categories, customer, and departments, because we have excluded them. So let me quickly check these tables. I forgot to give the name. Okay, so we have this data. Then let's also check this. So we should have this table data being created. So this way we can import this multiple tables, right? So we can import all the tables. We can also import selected tables. So whatever you don't want to import, you can put it in the exclude table list as a very good important feature. And again, this is very simple as well. We just made minor changes, right? So in fact, all of the Sqoop commands, we just make minor changes to the original template that we provided at the beginning of this session. So you can have this template and then you just make a minor changes here and there, you should be good. So that's it for this section, and I'll see you guys in my next class.